Hello everyone, it's me, your girl Diana, and today I'm going to cook fish makange and fried rice. And this is my first video in YouTube channel, so I hope guys you're gonna like it, my lips ears, and you're gonna share and subscribe. So I'm going to start with, always I like to use pure olive oil. So I put my olive oil on my pan. After that, you're gonna wait until the oil gets a little hot. After put your onion, so you have to wait for a while, just a bit. And I have different seasonings to put on my fish, to the fish makange. So there is some spice over here, as you can see guys. There is garam masala, chill seasoning, curry powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, organic rosemary, and tomato paste, and oyster sauce. Sometimes you can use this oyster sauce, but it's not so necessary to use, but some people use for more taste. So now I'm going to put my onion. I put my onion enough as you can see. So keep it. Make sure the onion becomes a brown color. As you can see, just slowly my onion turning the brown color, just slowly. And you can see it over here. I'm going to put chili, this, and carrots. Yeah, I put this, and I put carrots, and I mix together. So this is going down. So after that, I'm going to add, this is garlic. I put a little garlic and ginger together. So this is going to make a taste of our fish makange. So after that, you can put curry powder, paprika. I'm going to put curry powder, just a little bit for the taste. And I'm going to put paprika. And I'm going to put masala, garam masala. This also is for the taste. Okay, garam masala. sure you mix it well until you're gonna put just a tomato. So don't make it it's gonna maybe just cook well. No, just cook it just for a while, a little bit, and then you can add a tomato. So I'm going to put tomato. It depends which amount of tomato. Like me, only I put like 3 tomato over here. I just blended. Yeah. So after that, wait until the tomato being cooked well. So you have to wait for a while, and you can add a little salt over here. So now we wait. Our tomato. Some people used to like put different spice, but for me I choose this because I think it's making good taste of my. Some people also, you can use fish masala if you don't have. I use garam masala because I don't get fish masala, so I use garam masala. Also, it's good and make it tasty. Yeah. So make sure your tomato cooked it well. Some people want to cover it on the top, but it's not so good because this is fish makange. It's not need too much curry, so you need to make sure this curry all going up to down. So if you cover, I mean the curry gonna be more, so it's not good to cover. That's why I leave it as it is. I don't cover with anything for me, yeah. But some people like to cover it. Today I use tomato paste a little bit, but as I use tomato paste, sometimes if you don't have tomato paste, you can use tomato sauce, yeah, as you see. So I added some little bit of tomato paste. So now I can add a little bit of rosemary. This also for the smell, but sometimes it's no need to put, but I use it because it have a nice smell, real nice smell. I'm going to add more chili. I don't use just normal lime. So now we can add this chill lime seasoning. So now I'm going to put our fish. Our fish is already fry. Fry. So we're gonna put this fish is very big, so gonna add here the whole fish right here, and I'm going to add, because I use just small frying pan without knowing. This is small, yeah. You can use more, like as you see, the fish is very big. Tilapia fish I use for this makange. I think it's very good when you use tilapia fish on makange. Yeah. It's a little hard to use. So, but make sure whole tomato cover, all this cover on here. As you see, our fish makange is already ready to eat. But I'm going to cook now fried rice. I switch off my stove.